There are many different types of positions needed on board cruise ships in order to keep them afloat and satisfy all guest needs. But what is it that makes people the right fit for those roles? CTI Group has been recruiting for these different positions for many years, and we thought to give you some pointers on how to be the best at some of these jobs. Also, be sure to head on over to our website after watching this video so that you can apply to the onboard position you are best suited for. Today, we will be talking about bakers and all the things that can take someone from being an okay baker to an outstanding one. So, here are our top 8 things that make an excellent baker. Number 8. Strength. This might not be something you think of immediately when it comes to baking, but bakers need some physical strength to get through their recipes. Doughs and batters can become quite thick, needing a strong arm to stir or knead them. Ingredients such as large flour bags can be heavy, which may require a bit more power to lift. Number 7. Know your oven. And we don't just mean how to set the temperature and preheat it. Many ovens are different, and even though they can be set to the same temperature, some may run hotter than others. Knowing how accurate an oven's temperature is plays a big part in ensuring that you don't over or underbake anything. Number 6. Attention to detail. Baking is all about being precise, following recipes, and presenting the finished product beautifully. Bakers on board are given recipes by their company, and it is important for them to trust and follow each step carefully. Working closely according to those recipes and making sure that there is no detail out of place when a bake is completed is incredibly important. Number 5. Knowledge. This one may seem a bit obvious. What baker doesn't know how to bake? Many people can follow a recipe, but what is important is knowing the functions of each ingredient in those recipes. What makes a batter thicken or a dough rise? It is possible for something to go wrong or a small mistake to be made in the kitchen. Bakers should always know what different ingredients are capable of or which ingredients can be substituted for others in the event that they run out of one. Before we move on to the next half of our list, don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it so far. Be sure to also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be updated when we release more content. Now on to the rest of the video. Number 4. Organization and cleanliness. Baking on board a ship will mean going from breads to pastries to croissants in a short amount of time, so staying organized is key. A baker should not only know all the recipes they have to get through in their shift, but also have the ability to keep their station clean. A messy workstation could cause you to lose track of ingredients, or even forget what step you are on in the baking process. Number 3. Multitasking. Having multiple goods to bake at once means that there could be a tray of muffins in the oven while you are already onto mixing the next batch. There will always be more than one thing happening in the kitchen, and multitasking takes a large part in being a well-rounded baker. Number 2. Good communication. Baking on board the ship will mean that you are no longer baking alone in your own kitchen. There is never just one baker at work, so having good communication and listening skills is super important. If everyone communicates well, then getting everything baked and ready should be a smooth daily process. Number 1. Remaining calm under pressure. Finally, the last number on our list of what makes a great baker. As mentioned before, there is always a chance that something can go wrong. An ingredient could be missing, something may end up burnt, or anything else of that nature could happen. A baker who has the ability to stay calm in these situations and easily figure out a solution is sure to do great in their field. So, do you think you have all of these qualities? Or maybe you've learned something new about being a baker that you haven't thought of before. Let us know in the comments below. Also be sure to tell us any other qualities you think a baker should have. Be sure to head on over to our website www.cti-usa.com so you can check out the baker job descriptions and even apply for the position you think would suit you best. Thanks for watching and have a great day.